Hello all cryptocurrency lovers! In today's video we will discuss Trytrade website. I will tell you about its features, chips, what kind of trader it is best suited for. Let's go! Let's open the website and imagine I am a beginner trader, and it is very important to me that this website is easy to use and understand. We see that Trytrade does it. I like futuristic and yet simple interface, which is easy to navigate. What we can see on the initial page. First is the 4 reasons why Trytrade stands out. We promote, we aim, we accomplished, and we promise. There are also a couple of benefits that you can see on your screen. And the last thing I have mentioned is the part where they talk briefly about the company itself. It is pretty convenient to get to know the company a little bit better on the start page. I suggest we move on. Tab Platform. This tab is very important. For example, if I am a new trader, it has to be convenient and understandable for trading to be easy. Briefly about what Trytrade says about their platform. Trytrade is a cryptocurrency brokerage, accessible from any browser window with a swift and reactive platform. We offer competitive spreads and data to aid trading success, with regulatory standing ensuring privacy. Ideal for launching or advancing trading activity. You can also see their benefits on your screen. Moving on. Types of accounts. There are 6 of them in total. Bronze, silver, gold, platinum, diamond, and VIP. On your screen now you can see the differences between them and which one would suit you best. In my opinion, for a beginning trader, a bronze or silver account type would be enough. They have good features and will fit perfectly under the criteria of beginner trader. To avoid any questions about the legal aspect, you can check the Client Agreement tab, or if you have any questions, you can find answers in the Frequently Asked Questions tab. Also, you can apply to the call center. I am sure there are a couple of questions which a newcomer to the world of trading would like to ask. That's all for today. I hope that today's video helped you and that I made your life as a trader a little bit easier.